in Abington Park today in Northampton. Yeah, Northamptonshire. Very nice. Get a little look around. Right, now they've got an aviary. Okay, we've got the classic budgerigar. Yeah, I feel like David Attenborough. Of course, about to have a canary. I'm trying to find these lovebirds. I don't know if they're lovebirds or not. And they've got Polish hen, look. Little zebra finches. Well, that's all very well, isn't it? But I haven't found a parrot yet. I need a parrot. Have this without a parrot.
Yeah.
They're all bad. Oh, that was good fun if you like birds. Right, I'm going to go and find Jane now. Rufus. Dinner in the cafe for a change. There's a cafe in here. So I'm looking for some. Oh, through there. Right, no cafe there. Ah, right, could be here. Ah, could be here. Right, turns out I was at the completely wrong cafe. Need a cafe in the park, not the cafe in the courtyard. I was at the completely wrong cafe. Traipsing around the courtyard. 2 cups of tin sausage roll, it's good, isn't it? And an ice cream.
Oh. Special Rufus ice cream.
The dog one?
Yeah.
Is that, what's the tea?
That's your tea.
Is that my tea?
And that's your bit of sausage roll.
Oh, okay.
You've
No,
got
the sausage roll.
2/3 of the
What's the sausage roll like?
It's alright actually, it's just standard really. It's not like an amazing one, but it's okay.
So I appeared to be at another cafe in Abingdon Park, Abingdon Park in Northamptonshire. Huh? It's part, well, Northampton is part of Northamptonshire. Is it?
Yeah, but Abington is an area of Northampton itself. That is Northampton. Get down, sit down.
There you go. It's a doggy ice cream.
It's a special scoop for dogs.
Across the road now. Go on, across the road to the other part of the park. It's a lovely time, isn't it? Nice park. Nice cemetery, nice church. Look, no barbecues allowed in this park. No barbecues. Can't have a barbecue. Not allowed. Can't have a barbecue. Alright. Right, this is quite interesting. This is a 17th century water pump that used to serve the manor in this park with water. Now, I thought it was part of a church or a castle, but it's not. It is actually a water pump tower from the 17th century, and it's now called the pigeonry because they've put holes in it so pigeons can live in there. So yeah, like pigeons or not. Personally, not a big fan. Well, that was Abington Park. Very nice park, very big, large park in Abington in Northamptonshire. Very good. See you on the next one.